Hi guys, today I will show you how to check if the serpentine belt of your Honda CRV needs to be replaced. So this one, you can see, still looks okay, but you can see if it this one is already stretched. You can see it from here. So there's a indicator here. There's an arrow here, and there's a like a line, long line and short line. Right now it is pointing to the short line, so it should be on the long line. So once I replace the belt, then you can see this arrow is aligned to this long line. I'll come back later. Okay, for belt replacement, serpentine belt, I will be using this belt. So the part number is here, 38920 RBBE03. I hope this one is a perfect fit. Okay, now I have a new serpentine belt on this Honda CRV. I replaced it yesterday. Then you can see the arrow here, maybe a different angle. See, the arrow is now aligned to the this long bar. So it used to be on the short bar. Okay, so okay, I think that's it. Thank you for watching.